Welcome back. We're in the office with the mix and the blend. We've got some new audio to test out, hence happy Sunday fun day. We're here today I've been down here for a couple of hours just reviewing the Forex markets and the trades that I've taken over the last week. Looking a lot brighter in the Forex markets for me, myself, and my strategy and the way that I've been trading. Seems to be that the busier I get, the more success I'm getting. Especially this month. Last month I finished around about 4% down, so this month I am just over 5% up, so overall about 9%. I took 4 trades this week, 4 winners, 1 scratch, and I took 2 trades last week, 2 losers, but managed them very well, and they happen to be small losses. So overall, very happy with the progress being made so far. I've also popped down here for a couple of hours to move some of my crypto from the exchanges onto my ledger, because the exchanges are getting my exchange is getting pretty full, or there's quite a bit of profit and value on the exchanges, so I need to move it onto my ledgers to be overall safe. One of those projects happens to be Turbo, and it's gaining massive popularity recently because it is part of the meme coin culture and it is giving some crazy returns. This coin overall over the last year has gained something along the lines of 2,500%, obviously, which is insane. If you look at your popular index funds, you're looking between 8 and 10% overall on a year. So 2,500% is crazy, especially from a meme coin. Meme coin are sort of coins that hold no real utility. They're based, it's solely hype, speculated and driven by the community. However, Turbo is part of the ERC20 coins. It is part of it's built on the Ethereum blockchain, which obviously helps and gives it the benefits of the infrastructure and security within the Ethereum network, which is, I think, possibly why it's attracting some institutional investors and some serious money, not just the meme coin community. But yeah, if you look at the charts, this was the most recent bull run. We'll have a little flick through it quickly, as I am going to leave very shortly to go home and get some work done in the garden, get a barbecue on, as the weather seems to be lovely. And if you live in the UK, make the most of it. But yeah, look, 6 days. We had a 6-day run. A 6-day cycle seems to be a regular thing within the Turbo. If you look at previous price action, we seem to see a bit of a bullish run over 6 days. This raised 574% over 6 days. You can see that there's no real breakout of this real tight channel. It's quite tight, very tight, very tight, very tight price action. See this little bit of a breakout, and then price sort of chops around, consolidates, and then we sort of see this candle, this bit of a retracement, and then the shift above, and then we see this bullish momentum. We see it top off here at 309. So it went from 301, what was it down here? 406 up to 301, up to 309, which is 500 and something percent growth, nearly 600% growth, which is insane. And then it's retraced, and I think I've bought on all 3 of these retracement candles back down to, this was my first initial target for price to come down to, but bought in on somewhere here. This is on the daily chart, so each candle on here was in the daily. A day represents 1 day. I have got the 4-hour open somewhere. Boo! So yeah, we're on the 4-hour chart here, but yeah, this coin is absolutely giving us many things to be grateful for. The amount of growth. If you're like me and have been less speculative in the meme coin, even though meme coins have actually been flying and have been for a while now, but still refused stubbornly to speculate and accumulate within this industry, and have been holding on to those utility coins like your XRPs, your HBARs, your Quants, and those that are going to be part, or that are already part of the ISO 2022 thing, but are also going to be part of the new financial system and have been less speculative within these. You're late to the party, but looking at this chart here, I have been trading, using it as more of a trading opportunity, buying in on the dips and then buying somewhere just below 0.4 most recently. That's my most recent entry. I've packed my bags a very nice amount. I'm pretty pleased with the amount that I've got there. I would be classed as a whale, a whale investor. So yeah, I'm looking forward to this project. I've seen that people that we follow that are big into the community and have ties to it are looking at expecting this to maybe one day reach $1. 50 cents in the short term would be a lovely play. Short to medium term, even short term, 1 cent and above, breaking above that would be a nice target for those that are in around about this. This would be a return, 100% return on the money that you've invested. But yeah, this it's gained popularity because of its meme coin culture. It's gained. It's attracted attention from both enthusiasts and investors looking to the next big sort of meme coin. If you missed out on the Pepe and the Shiba Inu sort of era, then this could be, and is speculating to be, the coin that surpasses those. Look at this lovely price action here. But yeah, let's have a look back over if we look at the dailies and we zoom out, let's get rid of that, and then we look a little bit further back. Look at this from all the way back to last year, sorry. Yeah, there we go, March. So what's that? May last year. It's very tight consolidation. Obviously, the more you zoom in and the lower we go on the time frames, this will there'll be a little bit bigger moves. But overall, yeah, nothing really exciting apart from it started on 5 zeros, 6 zeros, and is now on 3 zeros. But this is now putting in more of a market structure. Which over time, the longer it continues and the more volatility we see, the more moves we see, we start to see sort of a market structure form. It'll be more tradable, a more tradable asset than more of a speculate to accumulate type coin. But yeah, I really am enjoying looking and researching more into the speculative coins and the utility, as I think the utility coins are a long-term play. I think they are like more so invested in the internet before the internet was a thing. I think that the opportunity will be there for those to be integrated and really an integral part of the financial system going forward. They offer real utility. They solve real world problems. They're going... Yeah, they're becoming more well known. The people who are on the boards and really high up in there and involved in making decisions within the financial industry, and the way that we're moving to a digital CBDC, I think that those will really play a part. But for now, I've been sat on the sidelines watching my projects do absolutely nothing. But watching other people get insanely rich from speculating on these decentralized developments, these meme coins, these coins that are gathering rapid popularity. Yeah, I think that it's time to now have a little look. We're at the beginning of the bull cycle. If that does play out anytime soon, we've obviously seen the Bitcoin halving, which is sort of the catalyst to see that start to move. But yeah, I hope that there's lots more to talk about within the Turbo community. It's not something that I've been in since the beginning. If I said I was, I'd be talking out my arse. It's something I've very recently found. I've sort of seen this play out, this rise, and was not part of any of it. So I'm now in on these pullbacks, and will continue to buy any more sell-offs or any more bearish momentum. I still believe that we could see that a next bit of movement back down to these lows, this 200 EMA. I believe that is potentially a possibility if we see a real bearish sell-off within the markets itself. If we see Bitcoin now, we see big Fidelity and all these big holders and the people who went in real heavy on the ETFs. We see them selling off big bags of their Bitcoin, which if you have that much money invested in these projects, and they're part of the, you're now basing these ETFs on your a portion of your real world assets, and you're investing in them, and then you're selling off mass amounts of them, millions and millions of pounds worth of them. They potentially, we could see a bit more bearish action within the market, which could drive these prices down. If we do see price return back to here, I'd literally be chucking the kitchen sink at it. Even a return to all-time highs would be a 10x. From here up to here would be over a 2x. So yeah, anyway, happy weekend. I hope this is informative to those who would like to hear anything about it. I hope it comes across okay. I hope the visuals are improved and much more easy on the eye, and I hope the audio is comes across decent once I upload it to YouTube. But yeah, have a great weekend. Hope those trading next week have a profitable week. Yeah, peace out.